friends, today's video is about uses and hacks of Vaseline. Vaseline is made from a mixture of mineral oil and waxes which create a protective barrier to help the skin heal and retain moisture. Hack number 1. Use as lash serum for thick and long lashes. For longer lashes, coat them with a little Vaseline every morning instead of mascara. This will give you a defined, glossy finish. Perfect for a no-makeup look. Hack number 2. Bulk up your brows. Can't find your blow gel? Smooth a little Vaseline over your eyebrow to not only keep them in place all day, but make them look longer and thicker without any added color. Hack number 3. Use as makeup remover. Not only you can use Vaseline before applying eyeshadow, but you can also use to remove makeup. Hack number 4. Lip balm or create a flavored lip gloss. Use different colors of lip tints, lipstick, powder blush, and eyeshadows mixed with some petroleum jelly to create your own tinted lip gloss or lip balm. Hack number 5. Winter body care. If you feel that your skin dry after a few hours, especially in winters, after shower or before applying any body moisturizer, use Vaseline for all-day moisturized skin. Hack number 6. Moisturize under your eye. After you're done dabbing Vaseline on any zits, sweep a layer under your eye too. Petroleum jelly helps in moisturize eye area, so that by morning, dryness has disappeared. Use as eye cream to hydrate your under eye area. Hack number 7. Massage your face. Use Vaseline petroleum jelly for massage your face. If you have no oil for face massage. Hack number 8. For soften hardened heels, use Vaseline. To restore cracked heels, slather a generous amount of Vaseline on dry feet, throw on a pair of fuzzy socks, and leave them on overnight for super results before bed. Hack number 9. Repair dry lips. Put Vaseline on your lips, leave it a few minutes, then scrub lips with a toothbrush to exfoliate. Hack number 10. Prolong your perfume. Give your fragrance lasting power by dabbing some Vaseline on your pulse point or neck before you spritz to make your fragrance last longer.